Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ka National People's Party Meghalaya State Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi hne kasngi ulapan scam yak unit baper jong ka NPP ke bahap hapo ka North Shillong constituency ha ka jingdon lang jong National Working President ka NPYF uba Niki Nongklaw President ka NPYF Meghalaya uba Kitbor lang Nongrem pat gwe kinong ilam ba syakmat jong ka seng habakaran ha kane kasngi Dr. Kharlukhi ulapan pau ka jing snokmen banyo kane kalan Banyadon bentalang ha kane kasngi ula ongru bagi pajba kajela kipai khamat North Shillong constituency kabadai kajabing jong kajat benrio Shushu Dr. Kharlukhi ulapan benaru ba uba ransam sutnga undai ukertong jong kaseng NPP na North Shillong constituency ha kane ke election kabanwan
Nok Kapwa Iladon mo kinong ransom iba Shillong candidate jong ka NPP negeri constituency.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to discuss relating to a matter of great public importance in the form of 0-hour notice under Rule 49A of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of this August House relating to the news item appeared in Maupur on the 16th March 2022 with heading Hato Pinkei Ain U Engineer but MP Haka Jingpynshai Kirtong North Shillong. Mr. Speaker, sir, I will be very brief in my submission. Sir, according to this news item, Mr. Ransom Stunga, who is Executive Engineer in PWD Building, and Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, who is also the State Unit President of the National People's Party, along with some party leaders of NPP, held some party meeting in some locality under Shillong North constituency. In the meeting, Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, the State President of NPP, introduced, felicitated by putting the scarves having the symbol of the party of NPP and announced that Sri Ransom Stunga would be the NPP candidate for Shillong North constituency in the next Assembly General Election. Sir, now the question is, Mr. Ransom Stunga is still the Executive Engineer in the Department of PWD Building, and he has not resigned from his post till date. But whereas he was holding meeting in political platform, involving in political activities, so does the law permit? According to Meghalaya Service Conduct Rules 2019, which was published in the Meghalaya Gazette on the 4th of November 2019, Section 20 states that any government employee cannot participate in any political activities or be part of any political party as long as he or she is in service. Now, Mr. Speaker, sir, when anybody is involved in any political activities, when one is still in service, definitely one will misuse his position as the government employee. There can be favoritism and nepotism, which is, of course, against the law. The actions of Mr. Ransom Stunga, who is still the Executive Engineer PWD Building, attracts the provision of the Meghalaya Service Conduct Rules 2019. Therefore, action should be definitely taken against this officer under a provision of the relevant laws. Otherwise, it is going to create bad precedents. There can be serious negative ramification in future because majority of the people, they don't read rules. They go by the trends. So, taking Here I therefore urge upon the government to take appropriate action under the appropriate section of the relevant laws and rules and send a strong message to any other such government employee in future. Sir, with this submission, once again, thanking you for giving me this opportunity and admitting this 0-hour notice, I resume my seat.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am very thankful to the honorable member, Mr. Zenith, member of MLA from Ransakuna, for bringing the zero notice under the caption Hatu Penkhen An u engineer but MP Jingpynshai Bana Kertong North Long. Sir, briefly, on seeing the paperclip, the department has decided to issue explanation notice, and necessary action also will be taken according to the provision of the service rules. With these few words, I conclude my speech.